There's high drama in Karnataka over the Muda controversy, which has really cast a shadow on Siddaramaiah, the Chief Minister. Now, you have several Congress leaders who are trying to step in or step up, saying they're eligible to be the Chief Minister of the state. At least 8 contenders for CM's post in the state of Karnataka. Let's start with D.K. Shivkumar himself, Deputy Chief Minister. You also have contenders who include M.B. Patil, Minister, Satish Jarkioli, Shivanand Patil, Lakshmi Hebbalkar, MLAs R.V. Deshpande, Shamnur Shivshankarappa, and financial advisor to the Chief Minister Basaraj Rai Reddy are all the top contenders who've spoken before the media or given out feelers that they also are in the running for Chief Minister. Now, amid rumors of the change of throne in Karnataka, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar also met with Rahul Gandhi while he was on a personal visit in the United States, images of which has come out that's raised speculations within the state. Of course, at this point, we're looking at 2 camps really lobbying. One is Siddaramaiah camp, the other is D.K. Shivkumar camp, both trying to push for their candidate to be CM. At this point, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has dismissed all rumors, saying all state leaders want him to continue as CM.
ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಚುನಾವಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆದ್ದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶಾಸಕರು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬಹುಮತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡರು ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ರೂಢಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಸಂಗ ಬಂದರೆ ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ನಾನು ಬಿಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಈಗ ದೇಶಪಾಂಡೆ ಅವರು ಅವ್ರೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ ತಪ್ಪೇನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಇದ್ದೀನಪ್ಪ, ಹಂಗೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರೇ ಸಲಹೆ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅವರೇ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ರೈಟ್, ಅವ್ರು ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನು ಸತೀಶ್ ಜಾರಕಿಹೊಳಿ ನನಗೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ. M.B. ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಪ್ಪೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಆಗೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇದ್ದೀನಪ್ಪ, ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು?
ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾರು ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಯ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಕುರ್ಚಿನೇ ಖಾಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಯ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಅವ್ರೇನು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರೇ ಮುಂದುವರಿತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ
ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಸೂಚನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಾವಾಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಖಾಲಿ ಆದಾಗಲ್ವಾ, ಯಾಕೆ ಸೂಚನೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ?
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ತರ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
ಯಾವ ಡೌಟು ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನೇ ಮುಂದುವರಿತೀನಿ.
You know very well the chief minister has been caught red-handed in this corruption, in the scams, many scams, not 1 or 2. There are plenty of scams. He's been caught, so they know very well that he is going to leave the office. So already the alternatives have started, the lobbying has started. Who should become the chief minister? The race has started for the CM chair. So this is clearly exposed the chinks in Congress government and Congress party. So the way chief minister is going out, and we are expecting a new chief minister.
And here you have multiple contenders, as I did mention, for Chief Minister of Karnataka, be it D.K. Shivkumar, who's currently the Deputy Chief Minister and is a CM hopeful. He also, at that point, said that he will be rotating with Siddaramaiah 2.5 years, him and 2.5 years, the current Chief Minister. You also have R.V. Deshpande, who's a senior leader within the Congress, also M.B. Patil, Karnataka Minister, who's ready to be Chief Minister, has spoken in favor of himself. Satish Jarkioli, also Karnataka Minister, who's ready to take on the Chief Minister's post. Shivanand Patil, Karnataka Minister, who's also spoken. Well, that's Lakshmi Hebbalkar though, the image that we see on our screens. Lakshmi Hebbalkar also proposing for herself, and Basaraj Rai Reddy, the advisor to the Chief Minister, also showing interest in being the Chief Minister. Well, that's as many names that you have here who are contending to be the CM if Siddaramaiah is replaced. But the question here is, will he be replaced at all? What exactly will the court's verdict be on the Muda case? That really will be a deciding factor. And this comes really after the governor of Karnataka gave out orders to prosecute Siddaramaiah if found guilty in the Muda case. Right, shifting our focus to